Now, 3D geometry means like cylinder, cone. We can't represent it in two-dimensional geometry. Okay, the shapes of cone, cylinder, cube, cuboid can be represented in three-dimensional geometry. Okay, three-dimensional geometry. Dimensional geometry. That means not two-dimensional, three-dimensional. Ante x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. In two-dimensional we have only x-axis and y-axis. Here x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis, y-axis perpendicular to x and y, that is z-axis. Here origin. Okay, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay. Next, x-axis opposite direction. That is negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. That is x dash. Next, opposite to y. Y dash. Opposite to z. Inner ga. Background. Venaka వైపు ఎలా వస్తే ఆపోజిట్ టు z dash అలా, that is x y z. Okay, now only two dimensional, there are four quadrants. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. Here eight octants, that means ox y dash, ox y dash z, ox dash z dash z, ox dash y dash, oy z dash x. Ala. Okay, suppose if any point p x y z, if any point p x y z in 3D geometry, that means in 3D geometry plane, x lies on, small x lies on, x is x coordinate, x is x coordinate. Next, y is with respect to y axis, y coordinate. Next, z is z coordinate, with respect to p x y z. X axis, with respect to x axis, x is x coordinate, that means distance from p to x axis or p to xy plane, p to yz plane is x distance, p to xz plane means y, z. Ala. Suppose in two dimensional geometry, px comma y with respect to x axis, this distance is mod y, distance from y axis is mod x, alage pxyz, distance from xy plane is mod z, distance from yz plane is mod x. Okay, that means if pxyz lies on xy plane, that implies z equal to 0. pxyz lies on xy plane, that implies z equal to 0. If pxyz lies on yz plane, that implies x equal to 0. pxyz lies on zx plane, that implies y equal to 0. Suppose pxy point lies on x-axis in two dimensional, lies on x-axis means y equal to 0, lies on y-axis means x equal to 0. This is also same, pxyz lies on xy plane is z equal to 0. lies on yz plane x equal 0. If it is lies on x axis, P lies on x axis means only x axis, x coordinate ఉంటుంది, రిమైనింగ్ 2 coordinates ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుంది, y ఈక్వల్ టు 0, z ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఒకవేళ P lies on y axis, that implies x equal to 0, z equal to 0. Similarly, P lies on z axis, P lies on z axis, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. P lies on z axis means x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That is 3-dimensional point representation అలా ఉంటుంది. Pxyz, distance from xy plane is mod z, yz plane is mod x, zx plane is mod y. Okay, Pxyz point transformation అలా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ Pxyz point translation of origin, translation of origin. Okay, if origin changes to, here origin is 0, 0, 0. If it changes to h, k, l, if it changes to h, k, l, that means translation of axis, translation of, not axis, origin, translation of origin, that is 0, 0, 0 changes to h, k, l. Suppose given point, original point Pxyz, next new point capital X, capital Y, capital Z, that is xyz is capital X plus h, origin changes to h, k, l, origin changes to h, k, l, that is xx, yx, zx, 3 coordinates. Xyz is x plus h, y plus k, z plus l. Here x, y, z are new axis, new point xyz is new point. Next, P small x, small y, small z is old point or original point. Then x, y, z equal to x plus h, y plus k, z plus h. Small x equal to x plus h, that implies capital X equal to x minus h. Similarly, capital Y equal to y minus k. Capital Z equal to z minus l. Capital Z equal to z minus l. X equal to x plus h. Capital X equal to x minus h. Capital Y equal to y minus k. That is, if it is converted to, if origin is translation to h, k, l. Okay? Y-axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis origin. X opposite, x dash. Y back side ఉంటుంది, y dash. Z dash. There are 8 octants. From 2-dimensional geometry only 4 quadrants. Here 8 octants, that is OXYZ. First octant OXYZ. OXYZ. Second the OX dash YZ. Third OX dash Y dash Z. OX dash X Y dash Z. OX YZ dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OX dash YZ dash. 6. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అలాగే ఇంకా 2 ఉన్నాయి. OX dash Y dash Z dash. OX dash Y dash Z dash. OX dash Y dash Z dash. Next OX Y dash Z dash. దీంట్లో x కోఆర్డినేట్ ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ దీంట్లో పాజిటివ్, ఓఎక్స్ రెండు మూడు పాజిటివ్ ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్, దేర్ ఫర్ వై కోఆర్డినేట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో పాజిటివ్, జెడ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ పాజిటివ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఓ ఎక్స్ డాష్ వై డాష్, ఎక్స్ డాష్ అంటే ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ నెగిటివ్, వై కోఆర్డినేట్ వై పాజిటివ్, జెడ్ పాజిటివ్. ఓ ఎక్స్ డాష్ వై డాష్ జెడ్, ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ నెగిటివ్, వై కోఆర్డినేట్ నెగిటివ్, జెడ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ పాజిటివ్. ఓ ఎక్స్ వై డాష్ జెడ్, ఎక్స్ పాజిటివ్, వై నెగిటివ్, జెడ్ పాజిటివ్. ఓ ఎక్స్ వై, ఎక్స్ పాజిటివ్, వై పాజిటివ్, జెడ్ నెగిటివ్, ఎక్స్ నెగిటివ్, వై పాజిటివ్, జెడ్ నెగిటివ్. హియర్ ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్ నెగిటివ్, వై కోఆర్డినేట్ negative, z coordinate negative. Here x coordinate positive, negative, negative. That means there are 8 octants in 3D plane, 3D geometry, 3-dimensional geometry. Okay na? Ox yz, ox dash yz, ox dash y dash z, ox y dash z, y dash z dash means negative y axis, negative z axis, negative x axis x dash, negative y axis y dash, negative z axis z dash. Okay, therefore ox yz, ox dash yz, ox dash y dash z and so on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 octants. Okay. Next, distance between two points, distance between 2 points px1 y1 z1, qx2 y2 z2 is similarly two-dimensional. Like two-dimensional into distance between 2 points, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. అదే మోడల్ ఇక్కడ కూడా, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Distance between 2 points, that means pxyz, xyz, px1 y1 z1. Another point q, x2 y2 z2. Distance between them pq equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Distance between 2 points. Next, distance from origin to 1 point, distance from origin to P point x1 y1 z1 is same. x2 means 0, 0 minus x1 also, that is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. That is distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points p q. Okay na? Next, midpoint of 2 points, p point q point, midpoint of 2 points p and q is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2, like 2-dimensional. Midpoint of a comma b and a plus b by 2. Here also midpoint of 2 points p comma q and p plus q by 2. P point x1 y1 z1 and q point x2 y2 z2. That is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2. Distance between 2 points and midpoint of the 2 points p plus q by 2. That is distance and midpoint. Page number 118. First problem. Show that the points A minus 4 comma 9 comma 6, B minus 1 comma 6 comma 6 and C 0 7 10 form a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle means right angled ఒక యాంగిల్ 90 degrees అవ్వాలి. Isosceles two sides equal అవ్వాలి. Okay, isosceles means lengths of two sides equal అవ్వాలి, one angle 90 degrees అవ్వాలి. Then the triangle is called right angled isosceles triangle. That means two sides equal అవ్వాలి, one angle 90 degrees అవ్వాలి. Okay, A, B, C points, given points A minus 496, B minus 166 and C 0, 7, 10. Okay, A, B, C. First distance find out చేద్దాం. Distance between A and B. Distance between A and B is AB equal to formula, distance formula into x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square equal distance x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. That is AB distance x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is minus 1 plus 4, 3 square 9, 3 square 9. That is root 18. Next, distance between B and C. Distance between B and C is BC is root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus plus 1 whole square, x2 y2 minus y1 whole square, 7 minus 6 whole square, 10 minus 6 whole square. That is 1, 10 minus 6, 4 square, 16. That is root 18. Already two sides equal వచ్చింది. AB equal to BC. Two sides equal వచ్చింది. Two sides equal. Therefore isosceles triangle. Next ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. For this, distance between CA, distance between C and A is here also x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus plus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay na? That is distance formula. 4 square 16, 7 minus 9 minus 2 whole square 4, 10 minus 6 4 square 16. That is root 36. Two sides equal, therefore isosceles triangle. సగం క్లియర్ అయిపోయింది అక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఐసోస్సెలస్, రైట్ యాంగిల్ ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ దిస్ root 18 square equal to root 36 square. Therefore Pythagoras principle, that is AB square plus BC square ఏమవుద్ది? 18 plus 18 36. 36 means CA square, that is AB square plus BC square equal to CA square. B common వచ్చింది, B 90 degrees. B is 90 degrees. Okay, that implies angle B is 90 degrees. Therefore given triangle is right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. That is given points forming. Okay na? Distance formula first, AB distance root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus Z2 minus Z1 whole square, root 18. Next, distance between B and C, BC, CA. Here, two distances equal. AB equal to BC. B 90, next AB equal to BC. Therefore, given triangle is right angled isosceles triangle. B 90 ఎలా ఫిక్స్ అయ్యాం? Pythagoras principle. Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Side square plus side square, AB square plus BC square equal to hypotenuse square. That is right angled triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. So that the locus of the point whose distance from y-axis is thrice its distance from 1, 2, minus 1 point is 8x square plus 9y square plus 8z square minus 18x minus 36y plus 18z plus 54 equal to 0. That is locus. Like two dimensional, here also locus. Locus of the point. Okay. Locus means Pxyz point. Okay. Locus means two dimensional locus indeed. Let Pxy be any point on the locus. Here let Pxyz be any point on the locus. Pxyz be any point on the locus. ఇక్కడ ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? అలా ఆ లోకస్ ఏంటి? లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ది పాయింట్ whose distance from y-axis is thrice its distance from 1 to minus 1. 1 to minus 1. Okay. If 1 to minus 1 let given point A 1 to minus 1. Okay. Next, locus of the whose distance from y-axis? Distance from P to y-axis. Distance from P point to y-axis is root of y-axis x square plus z square. If it is x-axis నుంచి distance అయితే y square plus z square. Y-axis అయితే x square plus z square. And z-axis x square plus y square. Here y-axis, that is root of x square plus z square. Now from given data, distance from P to y-axis root x square plus z square equal to thrice distance from A to P. Okay, that is root x square plus z square. Distance from A to P root of x2 minus x1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Distance from this point, distance formula in the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is 3 into AP. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get x square plus z square equal to 9 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Next అండి expand చేద్దాం. x square plus z square equal to 9 into x square minus 2x plus 1 a minus b whole square, y square plus 4 minus 4y a minus b whole square, z square plus 2z plus 1 a plus b whole square. That is 9x square. దీని రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించండి. minus x square, 8x square, 9y square, 9z square minus z square, 8z square, remaining minus 18x, 9 into 4, 36y, 9 into 2, 18z, 141, 6 into 9, 54 equal to 0. That is required locus. Required locus 8x square plus 9y square plus 8z square minus 18x minus 36y 18z plus 54 equal to 0. Hence proved. Hence proved. That is this one. Okay? The problem meaning in the locus of the point whose distance from y-axis thrice the distance from point 1 to minus 1. Y-axis distance equal to thrice triple avutundi. Distance from A to P. P point y-axis distance is root of x square plus z square. X-axis is root of y square plus z square. Z-axis is root of x square plus y square. That is root x square plus z square equal 3 into distance between A and P. Squaring on both sides. Simplification cheste manaki required locus vachestadi. Hence proved. 5a. First one, second one. Find the distance between points 3, 4, minus 2 and 1, 0, 7. First Roman, second one. Given points A 3, 4, minus 2 and B 1, 0, 7. 2 points distance between A and B. A and B. Distance between 2 points formula. Distance between 2 points is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Distance between 2 points in 3D, 3-dimensional geometry. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. A means x1 y1 z1, B x2 y2 z2. That is distance is root of x2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square, 7 plus 2 whole square. That is 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square 4, 16 minus 4 whole square 16, 7 plus 2 9 square 81. That is 4, 16, 20 plus 81, 101. Distance between A and B is square root of 101 units. 101 units. General formula lo apply chestam. Next, second Roman, first one. If distance between given points A 5 comma minus 1 comma 7, B x comma 5 comma 1. Problem meaning in the first of all, find x if distance between A and B is 9 units. Distance between 2 points ichesadu. AB equal to 9 units ichesadu. Okay na? B A AB distance. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. AB distance equal 9. AB distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square equal to 9. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square equal to 9. Now squaring on both sides. We get x minus 5 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square 6 square 36. 1 minus 7 whole square 6 square 36 equal 9 square. Equal 9 square 81. That implies x minus 5 whole square equal to 81 minus 36 plus 36 72. That is 9. X minus 5 whole square equal to 9. That implies x minus 5 equal to plus or minus 3. Root 9 and 3. X minus 5 equal to, okay, plus or minus 3. Next, x minus 5 equal to plus 3 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, x equal to 8. x minus 5 equal to minus 3 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, x equal to minus 3 plus 5 2. Therefore x equal to 8 ఒకటి, x equal to 2. ఎప్పుడు distance between a point 5 minus 1 comma 7 and b point x comma 5 comma 1 is 9 units అయినప్పుడు, is 9 units అయినప్పుడు x equal to 2 వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఏం లేదు, డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములాలో అప్లై చేసాం అంతే. ఓకే, పాయింట్స్ 1 2 3 2 3 1 and 3 1 2 form equilateral triangle. That means given points, names ఇచ్చుకుందాం points కి. Given points a 1 2 3, b 2 3 1 and c 3 1 2, that is triangle formation, a b and c. Now distance between ab, now ab length x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, that is x2 minus x1 2 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 1 1 1 square, 3 minus 2 1 1 square, 1 minus 3 2 square 4, that is root 6. Next, distance between b and c, bc equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 1 1 square 1, 1 minus 2 4, 2 minus 1 1 1 square, that is root 6. Similarly, CA x2 minus x1 whole square, that is x2 by 2 z2 x1 by 2 z1, 1 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square, that is 1 minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole 4 1 1, that is root 6. Therefore distance between a and b equal to b and c equal to c and a equal to root 6. All sides equal, sides lengths equal, therefore a b c form equilateral triangle. ఓకే, డిస్టెన్స్ 3 సైడ్స్ ఈక్వల్ చేస్తాం.